Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Cortelco 2554, and this is Mark's telephone from PA. And so he's got a note with his telephone, and he's talking about how the receive and transmit are both kind of scratchy. And so there can be multiple problems with these telephones, just basically since the way they plug into the wall and you hang them. There can be issues there, and then they'll have issues sometimes in the hook switch, and this one has the amplified handset. So what we're doing is, this is the initial checkout, and we're troubleshooting everything, and then we're going to go in and do some repairing. So I want to go ahead and move some of this stuff to the side here. This is our T1, and then our receiver capsule. We have the receiver apart, and we want to go in to this PC board and resolder this PC board. I wanted to give you a look at that. And there can be some issues here. We also want to clean the volume control. That can be an issue with these telephones. So you can have multiple problems when you have an amplified handset and with the wall telephones because of the way they connect to the wall, like we mentioned earlier. I have the cover off this one because we want to go into the hook switch area, and we want to make sure we clean all that. And we want to check all of our connections. But this one has an electronic keypad. So it's a newer version of a 2554. We're going to go ahead and start working on this telephone. We're going to do some more troubleshooting. We're going to finish our repair with resoldering, checking everything, and making sure that we clean our variable, our hook switch, and check all of our connections at our network. So we'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. So we're going to go ahead and start our final checks, and I want to ring the telephone. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Now I want to turn the volume down and up. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So now what we can do is I have a button on the switch box here. We can push that, and that'll give us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Offenburg Ford, still big in Belleville for nearly 70 plus years. Call 234-0330. Today is Sunday, March 2nd. The time is 1:27. Current temperature 24 degrees.
Much colder today. Sleet likely, possibly mixing with freezing rain with thunderstorms, and snow possibly mixing with freezing rain and sleet in the afternoon. Snow and sleet accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Ice accumulation up to 1/10 of an inch, high 17 to 22. Bitterly cold tonight with snow. Accumulations of 3 to 4 inches. Total accumulation of 4 to 6 inches. Lows around 6.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Mark, and he can start enjoying his telephone again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.